Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve the problems from class 10 exercise 3.4. The question is that solve the following equations by the substitution method. Substitution method में हमें x और y का वैल्यूज निकालना है. Number 1, 3x plus 11y equals to 13 and another equation is 8x plus 13y equals to 2. From those equations we have to find out the values of x and y in the method of substitution. Okay, solution. We have 3x plus 11y equals to 13. We have to mark it as equation number 1. Next one is 8x plus 13y equals to 2. Similar, we have to mark it as equation number 2. From equation 1 we get, this is equation number 1, 3x plus 11y equals to 13. 11y equals to 13 minus 3x. We have to take the 3x to the right side of this equal. Okay, पहले इसमें पॉजिटिव था and we have to give the negative sign at the right side. Now this implies y equals to 13 minus 3x by 11. This 11 is the coefficient of x and we have to divide by the 11 at the right side. Okay, substituting in equation 2 we get, this is equation 2, 8x plus 13y equals to 2. 8x plus, we have to put the values of y. The value of y is 13 minus 3x by 11. 13 bracket 13 minus 3x by 11. Okay, equals to 2. Eight x plus 13 za 169. 169 minus 13 za 39. X, here is x, that's why we have to write here x by 11. This 11, okay, equals to 2. Now we have to take the LCM here. We can take here 11 as their LCM. Here is 1 as its denominator. That's why we can take 11 as their LCM because 11 is the multiple of 1. Okay, 1 goes in 11 times. 11 8s are 88x. Okay, plus 169 minus 39x equals to 2. Now 88 8x minus 39x plus 169, and we have to multiply 2 with 11, this 11. ओके, इस साइड में 11 डिनोमिनेटर के हिसाब से था, अभी उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, इसमें लिखने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. ओके, from 88 goes 39, we have to subtract 39. From 18 goes 9, remain here 9. Now it has been 7. From 7 goes 3, remain 4. 49x equals to 11 to the 22, and we have to write at the right side this 169 as माइनस, क्योंकि ये लेफ्ट में था अभी राइट में चला गया है इक्वल्स का, अभी इसलिए माइनस होंगे यहाँ पर. 169 49x इक्वल्स टू माइनस, क्योंकि 169 माइनस का है और 22 प्लस का है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू गिव हियर माइनस साइन. From 9 goes to remain 7. From 6 goes to remain 4. Here is 1 minus 149. X equals to minus 149 divided by 47 divided by 49. Okay. Seven goes in 49 7 times. 7 goes in 14 2 times. 7 goes in 7 1 time. X equals to, it has been cancelled, 21 by 7. Minus sign here also. Minus 7 goes in 21 3 times. 7 3s are 21. The value of x is minus 3. Okay, substituting x equals to minus 3 in equation 3, we get y equals to 13 minus 3x by 11. Okay, 13 minus 3, the value of x is minus 3. Instead of this x, we have to write here minus 3. Okay, by 11. 13 minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 by 11. Okay, (13 and 9) 22 by 11. 11 goes in 11 one time. 11 goes in 22 two times. Equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to minus 3, y equals to 2. This is the answer. Okay.